Hi, Dr. Roger Borbon from Pure Life Neurology and Wellness. And in this video, I wanted to introduce you to one of our amazing members, Alissa, and share her story about how we helped her get 100% of her chronic knee pain gone while returning her to full range of motion. Now, I feel like her story is going to resonate well with you because, well, knee pain was a major issue eating away at her life, but originally she did not qualify for the neurometabolic knee method. In fact, she had a primary condition that excluded us from resolving her knee pain right from the start. So I talked on the first video about how there are 3 keys to healing chronic knee pain. And in Alissa's case, one of those factors needed to be restored first for the treatment to work. Now, I'm going to share with you a quick video of Alissa sharing of what her account was. So we're just going to pick up. Now, this is at the end of all the treatment here. So she's just going to kind of share with you what her experience was. Okay, let's take a listen.
Knee pain's completely gone.
Yeah, so
that was the big wizardry moment for me. I was thinking, oh hell, geez, that's been there for so long, and I babied that, thinking that's gone. That I won't get that back. I won't get any of that back, and I got 100% of it back that day.
Yeah, we just couldn't work on it right away because we had too much other stuff to get done.
Yeah.
And really, we needed the rest of you working better.
Yes.
For us to be able to do that thing.
When I was wobbly like a calf, still for a while, like it still had everything was like, what, you want me to what? Mm-hmm. But now it's just 100%.
Yeah.
And then you had that plodding motion once you got out of bed that was so noticeable to me, like, what the heck, I'm walking like this. And now I just have a normal stride and I don't feel locked up or tense or sore. All that's gone.
Yeah.
So everything that's supposed to be lifting me is lifting me.
Yeah. And
so the motion is there, the flow is there again. Mm-hmm. That was aging me. That's what made me feel like an old person stuck in this body all of a sudden. Because I was not like this before. I've never been to that place. So I say I've never been to that place. I've obviously evolved to that place, but the minute you notice it's gone, it's like, what? Way too young for that.
For sure.
Yeah, way too young for that.
Give me. Now look, so that was at the end of her treatment, right? So a couple really important things. How many of you feel like that, where either you don't have the stability, have that wobbliness, like she talked about feeling like a newborn calf, that that she'd have to lean on things, and that even her walk was kind of clod-like. It was very heavy. So these are the kind of things that made her feel old, and maybe like a bunch of you, being pulled out of the things that you love to do because of the knee. It just doesn't have to be that way. And yeah, that's going to make you feel old, and it's going to kind of make you feel like maybe you shouldn't just be participating in life the way that you used to be. But like you heard her, now it's back, okay? And she has it all back. So in this next segment, this precedes her care. So you're going to watch her do a squat. Now notice the look on her face when she's squatting. And what you're going to hear on the second part of this video is the severity of the pain. And she says it's an 8 out of 10 on the pain scale. And that when she goes down all the way, she feels wobbly, like her knees are going to give out or buckle on her. Let's take a look. A deep squat as far as you can with no pain. As soon as it hurts, then you'll stop and come back up. Okay. Now turn that way as far as you can, and then come back up when it hurts. Okay? So first, you said this was an 8 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
You said once you got down and you felt it, you felt like your knees would...
They're going to leave me. They're going to buckle.
Okay. So now you're just in the same rule. So just go down to the first point of pain, then come back. Okay?
It's not there.
And? It's not there?
It's a 0. It's not
Okay,
there.
0. So it was an 8, and now it's a what?
It's a 0.
Okay, so face me. Pretty good. So don't use my hands unless you need to, but I'm here.
Is it because you just scared it out of me? Is that
Okay, ready?
Okay.
As deep as you can with no pain.
Oh, you're in for it now. Guys,
And up.
hand down.
And it's
There's
what?
nothing. There's no pain. Zero pain.
There you go.
Zero. Oh my God. I have been
All right.
trying that for years.
So, okay. So what'd she say? I haven't tried that for years. Now we have stories like Alyssa's all the time. In fact, just this week we helped another member who is 75 years old be able to stand and put weight on both legs again, something that hasn't happened in about a decade. And it's because we follow a very simple process of helping people just like you get relief from their chronic knee pain without medications, without expensive surgeries. So if you haven't already called to confirm your consultation and evaluation, make sure you do that right now, because I honestly can say that you're going to absolutely love what your new knees can do for you. And you know, the time we spend together is we should be able to get to answers that you're looking for. In my next video, I'm going to share with you our exact process and how you can finally get relief from your chronic knee pain and feel normal again. You're not going to want to miss this next video, so stay tuned and we'll see you soon. Take care.